Hello, my name is Laura, and welcome to my presentation on fat deposition. Weight maintenance and homeostasis is a complex function of the body. One important factor in the process is fat cells or adipocytes. Fat cells have many functions. During times of feeding, fat cells take lipids from the blood and fill the adipose cells with triglycerides for later use. During times of food deprivation or when energy needs are not being met, hormone-sensitive lipase inside the adipose cells release the stored triglycerides as fatty acids for the body to use as fuel. As the fat cells fill for future use, the cells begin to hypertrophy, or get larger. Once the adipocytes reach their limit, they signal more pre-adipocytes to begin filling, which increases the number of total fat cells. This is also known as hyperplasia. Hypertrophy and hyperplasia lead to obesity as fat cells fill and grow in number. If the obese individual loses weight, the fat cells can shrink but never decrease in quantity, meaning hypertrophy is reversible while hyperplasia is not. The crucial functions of fat storage and the release of fatty acids, known as lipogenesis and lipolysis, are controlled by hormones in fed and fasted states respectively. The hormones that promote uptake of fatty acids from the bloodstream include lipoprotein lipase, acylation-stimulating protein, and insulin. So essentially, as we eat, our levels of these three hormones increase. LPL levels that are elevated will promote increase in fat cell size, while elevated ASP levels will enhance fat uptake in adipose tissue. Insulin helps regulate LPL levels, among other functions. For example, while insulin is high, so is LPL, and if insulin is low, LPL is not as active. A balance of both lipogenesis and lipolysis is key for weight maintenance. There are a few key differences between where body fat is deposited. Glutofemoral fat, or the pear-shaped person, is typically female or can be a male with increased estradiol levels. There tend to be a larger number of smaller fat cells, which makes weight loss in this area more difficult. However, one benefit of this body type is that there are less health risks compared to the apple body type. Individuals with more intra-abdominal fat, or the apple body type, are typically male or females with more free testosterone circulating. These fat deposits tend to be less in quantity, but larger cells, making weight loss in this area easier. However, there are more health risks associated with this body type. Either way, it is important to know the fat deposition process to help with healthy weight maintenance. Thank you.